you can see the geometry is revolving and it's, yes, the sky. Hello friends, welcome you all in Mechanical CAD room. Hope you are doing well. Let's start. So first of all, I will recommend you that if you have not watched the very first video of this playlist, you must have to be familiar with that because I have explained how this SolidWorks interface will be opened. So first of all, you have to be careful about the units. I have selected MMGS. Okay, so let's start. Click on front plane, click on sketch, select line, draw a line. Okay, yes, again, line like this. Right click, select smart dimension, give it a dimension of 30 mm, enter, give it a dimension of 80 mm, enter, select this point and this point, give it a dimension of 20 mm, enter, give it a dimension of 10 mm. I have entered 20 mm. So again, double click on this dimension. Now you can edit it. 10, enter. Select this origin point, select this point. Okay. Here you can identify the dimension in two modes. This is pure vertical, 96.32 mm. Now check the dimension. Yes, this is now in aligned. Okay, so it is not pure vertical. So you have to give it a dimension of vertical 100 mm. Enter. Now go to the offset entities command. Enter 4. Enter from keyboard. Okay, here you will find different options. Please select chain option should be okay. Click on any of the line like this. Okay, here you can see the dimension. The lines are offset outside, so check the reverse. Now the dimensions are inside. Click cap ends. Here you can see by default arcs are selected, so you can see the arc. Check the lines. Here is the line, and at this end also. Now click OK. Click on line command. From origin, draw an arbitrary line and give it a dimension of 110 mm. Enter, right click select and left click on this line. You will see this pop up. Okay, now click on construction geometry. Okay, now you can see the line is actually converted into the center line. Now this line will be used for only for construction geometry. I'm now go to features tab, click on revolve boss base. Okay, now you can see it is already selected by default. Okay, click OK. One more thing, click left click here and edit features. You can see that it is actually 360 degree. If I enter to 70 degree, now you can see it is only revolved up to 270 degrees. Okay, actually our sketch is revolved around this axis line. Okay, this is axis of revolution. So axis of revolution is selected, the center line we have created. Okay, and if I enter here 180, you can see the changes up to 180 degree. It is revolved. So for now, I am entering here 360 degree. Okay, so selected contours. If I left click here, then right click and delete. Okay, so if you see this window, okay, it is, if it is not already selected, but you will do axis of revolution, select the center line, you will see the 360 degree revolve this sketch. Okay, if I click here, it is already by default selected. If it is not selected, we have to click inside the sketch. Okay, now you can see the sketch region 1 is selected. So now click OK. See this, there is an other method of doing the same geometry. Okay, click on front plane, sketch, zoom out, again select line, click on line, again make the same geometry as we have made in the start. Click on select, give it a summer dimension of 30 mm, enter, give it a dimension of 80 mm, enter, give it a dimension of 20 mm, enter, give it a dimension of 10 mm, enter, give it a dimension of from this point to this point, pure vertical, not the diagonal one. Okay, 100, enter, yes. Now click on line, select this point. Okay, give it a dimension of 110 mm. Again select the line, click to draw this line, select. Okay, go to the features command of revolve, axis of revolution. Now you have to select this line. Yes, the geometry is ready. Click OK. Now this is actually solid. Okay, uh, click on this orientation tab, left click on this. Here is the section view command, left click on this. Okay, you will see, click OK. Now rotate it, zoom in. You can see this is hollow already and it is not hollow. Okay, again click on this section view, you will be out of the section view. Again click on section view, yes, select this arrow, left click on it and drag. Yes, you can see here the difference between the geometries. Okay, now what you will do, cross check it. Just now we are gonna using another command, click on shell. Yes, enter here, 4. Click enter. This is actually the face to remove. Click on this face. Shell outward, we don't have to select this. Click OK. Now see the section view. Yes, both geometries are same now. So actually shell command is utilized where we have to remove the material, okay, from a geometry which is not hollow. Or you can say that whenever you have to make the part hollow from inside, you can use shell command. Okay, okay, just cross check it. If you want to save the part, click here, save as, and I'm gonna put here lab 5, save. Before saving, you can see here, click here. You can see a lot of formats in which you can save your file. Most of the time, uh, step also work. Okay, if you are transferring your file to a lower version SolidWorks, you can save it in step file. But for now, preferably click SolidWorks part, click save. Now the file has been saved. Okay, one more thing, click here. If I uncheck the real graphic view, okay, real view graphic, you can see the difference. Yes. One more thing, uncheck it. So it is actually settings. You can see here view settings, right? Yeah, you can see here apply scenes. Okay, click here. If you select plain white, the background is plain white. If you select backdrop, yes, just check play with it. Okay, spotlight, yes. Now click on the rooftop. Yeah, utilize it. Okay, courtyard background. Yeah, now see this. This is by default setting of the SolidWorks. You can see it is tremendously good. Rotate it. Yeah, it is a fun time activity. Again, urban 5 background. Yeah, you can see the geometry is revolving and it's, yes, the sky. Okay, apply scenes. So actually, if you click here, manage favorites, there are a lot of others also. Okay, so like this, if I check this, okay, apply scenes, go to the 3-point blue. Yes, you can see here the difference. Okay, for now, I'm selecting plain white, apply scenes in real graphics. Yes. So one more thing, yeah, just go to the appearances, appearance, solid, give it a color. Left click and drag, leave. You can see here body, revolve to, okay. If I check the part, the whole geometry will be of same color. If I just select the body, the separate body will be red color. Go to appearances, go to solid, and let's see, make it yellowish, revolve or body. Okay, here just for face, It is for revolve feature. It is for the body. Just click here. Okay. Now you can see two geometries of the same dimensions by using two different methods. So this is all about today's lecture. Hope you enjoyed it.